Savannah. Welcome to our kitchen. Hey, Uncle, what are we making today?
We are making mac and cheese.
No.
No? No. No microwave.
You sure?
Yeah.
Everyone have
Yeah.
masks on?
No microwave.
Alright. How are we making it then?
We are making it on the stove.
Uncle, how do we make it?
I don't know. Let's read the directions.
It says we gotta boil 6 cups of water at a medium saucepan.
6 cups of water.
Stir the
Medium
macaroni.
saucepan. So what do we need?
We need the cheese that comes with the box.
Yeah, cheese.
We need butter.
Oh, butter. Yeah, butter.
We need milk.
Milk.
Wait, what's that?
That's our secret ingredient. A little bit of sour cream makes it wonderful.
Okay, so now, as you can see, our water has been brought to a boil. We will now add in the actual macaroni shells. Okay, so now that the pasta has boiled for 7 to 9 minutes, he is now going to strain it into the strainer we have set up in the sink.
After I strain the pasta real well, get all the water off, I like to return it back to the pot.
You can put this in another dish or just put it back in the original pot or pan or whatever that is in.
All right. I like to add my butter first. Can you open that? Mix this around.
Where's your scissors? In here. Thank you. That's gonna be
Cheese sauce.
cheese.
Get all that goodness out of there. There we go.
All right.
Now the milk. Stir it around. And our secret sauce.
All right.
Sour cream makes all the difference.
Alright, now we're going to put the mac and cheese into that bowl to serve it up.
So there you have it. Mac and cheese.
See you next time.